Sandra. Who you talk to?
Carlton, I didn't hear you come in.
At least you come back in my life, huh?
What are you talking about?
Don't play stupid with me. From the first day you come back in my life, I should I realize there's something wrong. Where you and Trevor up to?
Just let me explain.
Tamika, Wagwan. There, you know. Here what? I'm gonna need you to send me a bank account. So I can start sending the money for the youth to the account there. What you say? You not have no account? In a time like this, you don't have a bank account, Tamika? Hear what me I say? You see right now, I want to stop going to them remittance place if I go send money to you. I need to like lay down in my bed and can just send the money to your account from my phone. What do you mean? Here what you gonna do? You gonna go find one pastor, one JP, and make them write one letter give you, and you go to the bank with one ID and go take out our account. Alright? So when you do that, you send it to me. Because the only way you're going to get the money right now. Alright. Have a good day. Bye. Princess, send me a bank account right now. Yeah.
May I wait?
It's not me.
What?
It's Stephanie.
Who? Sandra, what you talking about?
Stephanie, she lives inside me. She's the one who wants to hurt you. I keep telling her no because I love you, Carlton.
Stop! Stop! You're going to tell me exactly what you and Trevor up to.
I have the ID, Carlton.
And what?
It's called dissociative identity disorder. We used to call it multiple personality disorder. It's basically when like more than one people live inside of you.
That's your excuse? To side with my competitor to take me down?
Carlton, please, I'm serious. It wasn't easy for me to accept, and it's so hard to say out loud. But just try and believe. I was diagnosed 2 years ago, and I kept it a secret because I was just so embarrassed. Like, I tried to suppress her, but sometimes she just gets the better of me.
You really expecting to believe all of this?
Look, Carlton, I know it's difficult to digest, right? But it's Stephanie. Stephanie is the one you need to worry about. She's dangerous. She's trying to hurt you, not me. Alright? She's the one who showed up the day with that guy.
So, you're trying to say you don't know Trevor?
Not really. So Stephanie, she contacts him when she takes over, and then he gets all confused, like you are now.
So, hold on. So, you take medication? You do therapy? We have to do about this.
Yes, I have medication, but I'm trying to wean myself off of it. And I had to stop therapy like a year ago, so. I mean, I thought I had her under control. I was fine.
So, Sandra. Sandra.